Everyone thinks the best-selling camera is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Canon EOS R50. The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera caught my attention right away with its sleek design and impressive specs, priced at $799. It's a fantastic choice for anyone serious about product photography. If you want stunning images and top-notch video quality, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it shoots in 4K, which is vital for capturing fine details in your products. The autofocus is robust, with 651 points covering almost the entire frame, ensuring that your subject stays sharp, whether you're shooting fast-moving items or capturing still life. However, some users have mentioned that it can struggle a bit in low-light situations. This is perfect for you if you're a professional photographer or a serious content creator looking to capture high-quality images without a lot of hassle. Skip this one if you're just starting out and looking for something more budget-friendly. Given its features, it's a solid investment for your photography journey. Now, if the price point of the R50 surprised you, the next camera offers some great options for those on a tighter budget. Product number 2, TFTYMON 4K Digital Camera. Next up is the TFTYMON 4K Digital Camera, a budget-friendly option at just $59.99. What really stands out is its 64MP capability, which delivers stunning photos for its price point. If you're looking for an affordable way to get into product photography, this is worth a serious look. This camera shoots in 4K, which is pretty impressive for this price. The autofocus feature ensures your products are always in sharp focus, making it easier to capture those intricate details. The 180 degrees flip screen is a fun addition for vloggers, allowing you to easily frame your shots. Plus, it's compact and comes with 16x zoom, making it perfect for travel or on-the-go shooting. Now, some folks have reported that the build quality feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or using it for casual photography, it gets the job done without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for a straightforward camera without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need professional-grade durability. For what you get, this camera is a steal for anyone wanting to step into product photography. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a bit more versatility. Product number 3, Duluvulu 4K Camera. Now let's talk about the Duluvulu 4K digital camera, another affordable pick at $59.99. With a solid rating of 4.3 stars, this little powerhouse has caught the attention of many. If you're looking for a reliable camera that won't empty your wallet, this is worth a serious look. This camera shoots 48MP images, which is great for capturing detailed product shots. Its 16x zoom lets you get up close and personal with your products, ensuring every little detail is visible. It also features a 180 degrees flip screen, making it super easy to take selfies or vlogs. The compact design means you can easily carry it wherever you go, making it ideal for travel photographers. However, some users pointed out that the autofocus can be a bit slow at times. Here's the thing though, if you're not in a rush and can take a moment to set up your shot, the quality you get in return is definitely worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or a student wanting to explore photography without a high upfront cost. Skip this one if you need fast autofocus for action shots. Overall, it's a fantastic value considering the features you get. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more professional oomph, the next camera on our list might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Teclam 8K Digital Camera. Up next is the Teclam 8K digital camera, priced at $129.99. It's rated 4.6 stars, and honestly, the 8K resolution is what caught my eye here. If you want to take your product photography to the next level, this is worth a serious look. This camera features an impressive 88MP sensor, which means your images will be incredibly sharp and vibrant. The quick autofocus system is designed to lock focus in just seconds, making it perfect for capturing products with precision. Plus, the 16x zoom allows you to take stunning close-ups of your items, ensuring no detail goes unnoticed. The dual lens system also makes it easier to switch between different shooting angles. Now, a couple of users mentioned that the user interface can be a bit confusing at first. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the features you unlock are well worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're planning to create high-quality content for online platforms or want to invest in a versatile camera. Skip this one if you're looking for a camera that's completely straightforward out of the box. With its price and features, it offers great value for those serious about their craft. Finally, if you want to see another option that really emphasizes portability without sacrificing too much in quality, stay tuned for the last camera on our list. Product number 5, Toberto 8K Digital Camera. Last but not least, we have the Toberto 8K Digital Camera, also priced at $129.99. With a solid 4.5-star rating, this camera is designed with content creators in mind. If you're looking for something that combines portability with high-quality features, this is worth a serious look. The dual lens system allows for flexibility in shooting, whether you're capturing a group shot or a close-up of an intricate item. The 3.2-inch touchscreen is intuitive, making it easy even for beginners to frame their shots perfectly. Plus, the built-in Wi-Fi allows for instant sharing, making it easy to get your work out there. However, some users found the battery life to be a bit short for extended shoots. Here's the thing, though, with 2 batteries included and the overall ease of use, it's manageable for most casual photographers. This is perfect for you if you're a budding content creator who values both quality and convenience. Skip this one if you need a camera that can last through long shooting sessions without a power boost. Worth every penny considering what you get in this compact package. To wrap it up, we've covered the Canon EOS R50 for its stunning clarity, the budget-friendly TEF-TYMON and Duluvulu cameras for beginners, the versatile Teclam for its high specs, and the Toberto for its convenience. Each has unique strengths tailored to different needs, so pick one that resonates with your photography goals.